Guru Nation, thank you so much for coming back. It really means so much to me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for subscribing. Really does help me out a lot. Happy New Year to everybody. Look, I know this video is very important. I know I talk a lot about being a generalist. I'm going to go live today and talk about it because I got a lot of questions over the holiday of people who are excited, and that's very good because this is going to be a boom decade for research. So people are very excited, and then they also take what I say about being a generalist, but they try to do everything at once. Guys, don't try to do everything at once. I had one person reach out to me over these last few days talking about, like, they have zero research experience. They're talking about how they want to be a CRA and start a site. And I asked them, okay, well, which one do you want to do first? And they replied back, well, is it too ambitious to do both? And I said, yes, to do both at the same time when you know nothing about either is too ambitious. So you gotta, like, whatever your ambitions are, let's say it's site owner, let's say it's CRO or CRA, you gotta break it down into more achievable goals. So let's take site owner as an example. Let's say you have zero experience as a site owner. And by the way, a lot of our clients have had zero experience. And we help them get studies and all kinds of things. A small monthly consulting fee is what we charge, $1,300 as of the time of this video, which is 2022. Happy 2022. A lot of our clients who are research naive actually do really well as site owners because they don't bring their preconceived notions of what research is because they've been a monitor, right? So the thing that's tough about being a site owner is you're not going to get revenue for the first year. Some people get lucky within 9 months, they'll get revenue, but most people it takes about 12 months. So as long as you can, it's not very costly to start a site, but you're not going to be getting paid. So your bills, your own expenses, your lifestyle needs to still be funded somehow. It could be very tempting to say, hey, I want to be a CRA while I pay the bills to be a site owner. Don't try to do both, guys. If you want to be a site owner, what you should do, and a CRA, what you should do is get some experience at the site level. This helps with both being a CRA and being a site owner. Try to get as close to the study coordinator as you can. If possible, try to become a coordinator. This is how you take ambitious, lofty goals and break them down into their smaller components. Why? CRA is a perfect level up from CRC in this industry. If you've been a coordinator for 3 years or more, sometimes even 2, sometimes even less, you can be a CRA. You could at least be an in-house CRA and then be a CRA. And the site level is the most versatility because of the site ownership component too. Because what are you going to be doing as a site owner? Well, a big part of what you're going to be doing is actually running the studies. Who runs the studies at the sites? It's the coordinators. I know that proper answer, the textbook answer is the PI. The real answer is the coordinators. The coordinators are running the show. So the business stuff as a site owner is relatively simple. There's not a big learning curve. It's a matter of getting studies, getting doctors, getting patients, and then doing a whole bunch of other stuff that any business owner in any industry needs to do. But running the actual studies, that's the rate determining step. And that could take you in a lot of different places. And then once you've been a coordinator, you can then decide, okay, do I want to own a site? Do I want to be a CRA? You can go that route and just know that once you're in one of those lanes, you can then make it easier transition to the other lane. So I know people who have been CRAs for 2-3 years. So the learning curve is over as far as being a CRA. Now they want to own a site. They can do both now at the same time because the CRA job is not new to them. The site owner might be new. And even when you do both of those at the same time, you're eventually going to have to quit your CRA job or you're eventually going to have to quit your site ownership job, because both of those positions, site owner or CRA, are way more than 40 hours a week. Way more than 40 hours a week. So you can do both at the same time, as long as one is not new to you for a little bit of time. But then you got to decide. And the good news about this industry is once you get that experience, you can start learning how to be a generalist. You can see the roads, the career pathways open up for you. You have options. You'll start getting job recruiters reaching out. You'll start getting colleagues talking about different opportunities they have. But the hardest part is just getting that first experience. So do what you got to do. The site level is your best bet. Google, LinkedIn, research sites near you, not academic medical centers, community-based research centers. The smaller the better. Small is the new big in 2022. I really believe that. Looking forward to going live with you guys later. Take care, Guru Nation. Bye-bye.